How to check lessons in Learn JavaScript. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see the lessons. First of all, open the application here in your home page. Now here on the bottom, you'll be able to see the option called Lessons. Tap on Lessons. Now scroll down until you find the one that you want to see or read on. So here I'm tapping on one, and as you can see, it has been opened. So this is about JavaScript data types. Here you can view other pages too. So simply tap on next, and here you'll be even able to have a quiz to test yourself and have exercises. So these are the options, or this is the way how you can study in this application. So here you can tap on quiz, and you'll be able to even get these questions and solve it yourself. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.